Hi, welcome to Webisode 214 of Living Life to the Fullest, where I do or learn something new each and every day. Told you last night I was hooked on this Rubik's Cube, and that was not a joke. So last time I'd figured out how to do this, just get the top part, and I called that phase one. But so there's actually, for what I'm doing, 4 phases. Phase 2, I did phase 2 and 3 tonight. So phase 2 is, you see how this is called the top layer. So you get all those like this and those. So that was phase 2 for me. So I'm going to show you phase 3. Now what's going to happen is all of the top 2 layers are going to be the same. So then we'll only have one more step, which will be to solve it next time. So tonight I learned how to get all the top layer together and the second layer. So we finished phase 2 and 3. So I'm going to try and do it right on camera. Let's see. Alright. Okay. Oh, one left. I was really excited there for a second. Okay. Hold on. I'll still be excited when I do it this time, but if I do it. Boom, boom, boom. See if it did it. I don't know. Kind of excited. Yes! Oh, see the top 2 layers? Done. Top 2 layers done. Top 2 layers done. Top 2 layers done. I did it! It's a pretty exciting little feeling, I'll be honest with you. I'm pretty excited. That was fun. I'll tell you what, the first steps, the phase 1, I know, I consider what I just did phase 4. I consider, or no, excuse me, that was phase 3. So 2 and 3 I consider the easiest. The first one is the hardest, to get that first cross. And then it's kind of easier to put the corners in. And then what I just did there was, it seemed simple, but I don't know. Anyway, that was fun. That was exciting. It only took me one try. I didn't have to like refilm or anything. The other night I did. That was Webisode 214, Living Life to the Fullest. I'm very excited. I've wanted to be able to solve a Rubik's Cube my whole life, and like I always thought, like, oh, I'm a genius. I can just go, and I would spend like 3 minutes on it, and then no. But it's kind of cool. I will see you tomorrow for 2:15.